attention yet? Today we are learning about potential and kinetic energy. We're starting off with a question. Would you like to ask? Okay. Anonymous asks, what is potential and kinetic energy? What's the difference? I mean, they're both energy. Well, the difference between potential and kinetic is simple. Potential has the potential to move. Kinetic is moving. So let's say you're throwing a softball or maybe even a baseball. You pull back your arm, and when you're all the way back there, that is the peak of your potential energy. You are going to throw the ball, and it is going to go flying. Now, if we're going to talk about this, first you got to know what a force is. A force is something that projects something forward or holds it back. Now, the force of gravity pulls the ball towards the ground. That's why it doesn't stay in the air forever. Without this, we would all float away. The force of friction, let's say you're rolling this, it'll slow it down eventually and it'll halt. So let's go back to our example. Let's say you've got your baseball and you pull back and your hand is right here. That's your potential energy. And then when you throw it, you're going to set off that kinetic energy and it's going to go flying. But gravity will pull it back towards the ground and it'll hit the ground and come back up. Or if you're playing baseball, when the batter hits the ball, when the bat and the ball are touching, that is a peak of oh good God, I lost it. What is it called?
Potential.
Kinetic
energy.
and potential. Potential, yes. Yes, I lost it. Okay. That is your peak of potential energy. Gravity will pull it back towards the ground and eventually the ball will stop and you have potential energy again. This kind is called elastic because you're using a force to pull something back to release it forward. I've been using a lot of sports metaphors, but what if we don't use a sports metaphor? Let's use something simple, like, say, you've got a cup. I'll use this for example, or a bowl filled with something. Why don't we use this frisbee to fill it up? When you're holding it up, oh, this looks kind of gross. But look at that. When you're holding it up, that's your potential energy. Wow, that is one determined ball. Doesn't want to be anywhere near me.
We're at 10%.
You have goop right here, and you're holding it still, that is your potential energy. And then you drop it and gravity takes over and it's still using kinetic energy and it hits the ground. And then it stops and you have your potential energy again. That's all for our lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out to our camera guy / girl. Hope you watch more of our videos. You should watch our episode on chemical and physical reactions. That will be posted on my phone, not her tablet. Thank you very much. Bye. Genius.